if you're looking for a homepage that doesn't overwhelm you and that is simple and minimalist, and that most importantly allows you to quickly access the pages that matter the most to you, then this video is for you. Here's what I consider to be my Notion homepage, and essentially it's just a page in my favorites, at the top of my favorites, where I have manually linked pages that are most frequent for me, that are most important to me. So at the very top is my filmmaking and writing pages, and then also methods, which is just a database where I collect notes on how to do things that I find interesting and I might forget in the future. Then we have a learning and creativity section, which is where I have still stuff that is related to the very first section, but that is perhaps not as frequently accessed. So where I make templates, where I have my learning projects. Then resources database is just a database of web links to things that I've found that I think will be useful. And then here is a podcast and lecture notes database. Here's some place where I can plan my newsletters, and also intentional scheduling, which is my attempt at listing out activities for the week that I would like to accomplish. And then the human section is just basically interactions. So we have conversation notes. Homo sapiens is just where I put links to people whose work I find interesting. So it might be researchers, it might be authors. And then here's a network database, which, to be honest, I haven't used very recently, but it's where I'll put a person's name and then I'll track whether I emailed them or spoke with them and how long it's been since I last had contact with them. And then external is anything that is not really in my personal projects, but is more like task oriented, and it really depends on external factors, such as job applications. So as you can see, having a very simple Notion homepage decreases the amount of overwhelm, and it allows you to really focus on what pages are most important to you and allows you to get straight to work. And so if you liked the pages in this video, I've left you a link where you can find the page names for yourself, and you can add or subtract as you see fit.